Hey everyone, this is Jenn Lockwood with Mount Hood Meadows, and I am here bringing you your ski fitness tips with Jenn. I am the Alpine Training Coordinator and ski instructor at Meadows, a member of the PSIA Northwest Technical Team, and owner of Peak Fitness and Peak Ski Conditioning here in Mount Hood, Oregon. So today, what I've done is I've created a total body strength workout that incorporates mobility. My goal for you is that you are going to maintain the strength that you've gained in your legs in particular over the ski season and enhance your mobility. I know that when the ski season came to an end on March 16th at 4 p.m. for myself, my lower body and particularly on my trunk was really tight, and I needed to spend some time on some mobility exercises. So I've incorporated those into this workout. There are a total of 8 exercises. I'm gonna demonstrate these exercises for you, giving you about 5 repetitions of each, all right? Each exercise I want you to do for 1 minute. No need to rest because you're gonna work your lower body and then move to your upper body or mobility exercise. So no rest is needed. 1 minute per exercise. Now I recommend that you do this routine 1 time through at a bare minimum. If you want more, so it's going to take you about 10 minutes. If you would like to get more time in your workout, you could do it a second time or a third time. Or you could even spread it across 3 different 8-minute segments throughout your day. So again, this is a total body strength workout with mobility. Now it's your turn to get fit, ski hard, and have fun. Step up and squat. You're starting this one down in a plank. Nice flat back. Step to the outside of your hand. Outside of your hand. Arm up. Arm up. Stand. Bring an arm down. Arm down. Foot. And continue. Push up to a side plank. This is a combination of an upper body strength and a core strengthening exercise. Again, we're starting back down in this plank, all the way down. Release the hands, press up, pivot, arm up, come back down, all the way down, release the hands, press up, pivot to a side plank. You can also do this on your knees, all the way down. Release the hands, push up, pivot, come back down. Next one is a whole body superstar. Now this one you're gonna start laying on your back, roll to your stomach, and jump up into an X jump squat. Okay, it looks like this. So I'm starting on my back, roll over, hop up, start jump, come back down, roll over to my tummy, hop up, start jump. Next exercise is a one-legged deadlift, working on lower body strength and balance. Arms are out long, standing on one leg. Tip it, hinge it forward at the hips till you get a comfortable stretch in the back of your legs. Pull yourself up, switch sides. Hinge it over, come up. The slower that you go, the more your balance is going to be challenged. Reaching long through my fingertips, out through my head and heel, coming up. Here's it sideways. All right, the next exercise is a swimmer, and this is for an upper body pulling exercise. The upper back is hard to work with just your body weight. On here, you're gonna come up, and I want you to imagine you're doing a crawl stroke. Reach all the way forward, bring the hand back. Reach. Reaching long, bring the hand down along the rib cage, reach it over. Diagonal lunge. Now this is going to be great for lower body strength and a little bit of a balance challenge as well. Starting, I always want to keep my hips facing you. I'm going to step across the midline, lower the back knee to the ground. drive off the heel, come to standing. Step across the midline, lower down, back up. Now this is really great for getting some mobility through the hips, strengthening our glutes, our quads, and our hamstrings. We want to keep that chest up nice and tall. Plank, up, up, down, down exercise. This is giving us some shoulder stability and strengthening along with core stability. So here we are back in a plank. Hands are directly underneath our shoulders. We're going to go down to an elbow. Elbow, hand, hand. Switch sides. Elbow, elbow, hand, hand. Now the goal here, my feet are hip width apart. I want to keep my hips low and not rocking side to side. Down, down, up, up. Side view. Down, down, up, up. Switch sides. All right, your last exercise is the inchworm. It's for total body mobility. You're going to start standing with the feet together. Slowly curl down to the toes. Bend the knees if you need to. Get the fingers to the ground. Walk all the way out to a plank. Back and hips are nice and flat. Hips up. Walk the feet to the hands. If you need to, cheat a little bit. Hanging hamstring. Now you're going to walk it out one more time. All the way out.